So hello guys, today we'll be solving this question number 16. So what we have to do in this question is we have one trans element. This one is trans element which I have highlighted, and this one is cis element. So we have to find if trans element is optically active or not and cis element is optically active or not. So I hope you get the question. So let's get to the answer. So in case of this trans one, so in this case of this, let me, yeah, so okay, let me use some other color. Yes, it will be fine. So in this trans, the similar group will be 180-degree to each other, due to which there is no plane of symmetry in these molecules. Hence it cannot be optically active. But in case of cis, the similar group will be on the same side, due to which there exists plane of symmetry, and hence molecule is optically active. So hence answer, the option number 4 will be the answer, due to the presence of position of symmetry cannot be optically active, but B can be optically active. Thank you.